I think I choose to be involved in farming because I couldn't see myself in a situation where where I would spend my life far from nature. And then I always figured how can I how can I have a life where I have a close interaction with nature. And from the start it was not at all present for me that it was about farming though. But then I had the opportunity to work as a trainee at one farm here in Sweden for one summer, and after that I was pretty sure that this is what I wanted. Because if you want to grow, if you want the plants to express themselves fully and bring all the tastes that they have, they only do this if they come in close interaction with the soil. And the living soil, which what I mean with the living soil, is something that helps the plant and come into close work with the plant. And this interaction between the plant and the soil, this is what later on bring the tastes to the crops and the quality. And what's very interesting with this is that, as I see it, depending on how you work on the field, it's possible to develop something unique in each place, and then with the soil. And in this way you can also bring forth crops that are place bound or place unique. You can always have, doesn't have to be really good, or sometimes it's not, but in general this is very interesting for me, that the tastes anyway reflects the situation on the field, on the farm, that is authentic, and from there you can start to work further and with quality, and all this comes from a living soil. There's always a challenge with the soil, because even if theoretically we can speak about that we want to develop the quality of our soils and increase the humus layer and build it up, and with compost and crop rotation and green manures and everything, all these tools that we have. But then, especially in this time of year, what we have as challenging with working with the soil, that it's always talk about slow developments, and this you understand when more and more, that even if I had this intention to develop the soil that we have, it's a slow process, This is quite fantastic when you see it and when you experience it, because then you also get much more respect for the work that already have been done for hundreds of years. My next step will be to go up tomorrow morning and continue what I do. Why not become a farmer?